Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lying with good settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we search about the application of Line. Then we click on first stop and we click here. As you see, I already click here. Then we go to storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.